Hi everybody, welcome back to day 2 of the Flopdoodle Chloe Bean Spark Team group. Today we're going to work on the command stay, sometimes called wait, and we're going to demonstrate that trick first with Chloe here. Your dog needs to be in either a sit or down position for the stay command, and if you're going for your novice trick dog title, your dog is expected to stay in that position for at least 10 seconds, and you need to be away from the dog at least 6 feet. So we're going to show you that right now. Stay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, good girl. All right, so how do we teach our dog to stay? Well, the first thing you might want to do is have your dog on a leash if they tend to be a little jumpy or try to play around with you, because that helps you get their attention back a little bit faster. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start off very basic. So once your dog is in the sit position, you'll say stay. Yes. And you're going to want to treat them very quickly. And you're going to progressively add more and more distance and time as you give the command. Now another thing you're going to want to do is not have the treat in your hand, because if you tell your dog to stay and you have a treat in your hand, well, that's encouraging them to come. So you really want to have your treats put away at your side in a treat pouch, whatever works best for you. Another thing you're going to want to remember is that if your dog stands up before you have returned to them and given them the yes or the clicker cue that they've done the command correctly, you're going to want to put them back in the position that they were supposed to be in and do it again and add like a little less space and a little less time in between, because we need to progress until they're ready to go the full distance, and that'll take a lot of practice. So let's try it again. Sit, stay. Yes, good. Good. Stay. Yes, good. And the more you work on this with your dog, the longer you can go and the farther you can go from your dog. Now to get your novice trick title, you'll be expected to go at least 10 seconds away from your dog and at a minimum of 6 feet. Let me know if you have any questions. And really quickly, in our next video, I'm going to tell you a few things that might help if you're experiencing trouble with the stay or wait command. Okay, a couple of quick tips. If your dog keeps getting up, don't get discouraged. Just return them to the position that you've asked them to stay in and decrease the time and distance that you're asking them to stay. Sometimes you need to regress back to their last successful point before you add on more distance and time. Another thing to remember is that you need to use little verbal communication with your dog in the stay command. Usually when we use our voices for training, it encourages the dog to come to us. So if we ask our dog to stay and then we say, good girl, while they're doing the stay command, they might be more encouraged to stand up or come to us. And so with the stay command specifically, you want to say stay, keep eye contact, but not any more verbal contact until you come back and say good and give them their treat. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me in the comment section below the video.